Hi, this is Julie with Beadaholique, and in this video, I'm going to help you choose the colors of the rainbow in Swarovski crystal. So this whole video really came about because I wanted to make this necklace, and you see it features all the colors of the rainbow. So we got red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. And so I was looking on the Beadaholique.com website and I was picking out these colors, and I realized there really wasn't good information out there online about the different color options in Swarovski colors. Swarovski crystal colors for the colors of the rainbow. So here I have laid out the different colors, and I'm going to tell you what they are. I'm also going to tell you an alternative choice as well. So again, the colors of the rainbow are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. So for the red, and these are all 4mm bicones, but these do come in other styles as well and sizes, I'm going with light cyan. So light cyan is a really vibrant red. There is a cyan, it's quite a bit darker. So you can see I don't really have an alternative here because this is just such a wonderful, vibrant, saturated, true red. For the orange, there's two choices. The one I used in my necklace here is tangerine. The alternative is hyacinth, and the reason I personally didn't choose it is because it was a little bit too close for me to the red when you put it next to each other. But I do think it is a really nice orange as well, just a different shade. So you could definitely do that, and just, this is really up to you and what you want for your design. For the yellow, I went with citrine, but a good alternative is also light topaz. So light topaz has just a little bit more brown in it, and the yellow is just a little, the citrine is just a little bit more of like a sunshine yellow. The green that I went with is dark moss green. There's a really good alternative though, which is fern green. The dark moss green is a little darker. Fern green is a little bit lighter. So if you look back up to the necklace here, I actually wanted a little bit more contrast, so I went with the slightly darker version so that when you're looking at it, you really see that green, but I think fern green looks lovely too. Blue was a little bit challenging because it just was, I needed that perfect light shade. So I ended up going with light turquoise, but aquamarine is really pretty too. And I liked how it's quite a bit lighter than the two beads and the two colors that surround it. For the indigo, I went with majestic blue. I really liked how saturated it is. But another good alternative is sapphire. And that's a really wonderful, deeper blue tone. And then we actually have three choices for the last color of the rainbow. For violet, so violet's the color of the rainbow, I went with Swarovski crystals violet. It's just a really pretty purpley color. Another option is also tanzanite. And a third option, if you want it to end in a really dark color, is purple velvet. So I'm going to put this up here and show you kind of why I didn't want to choose it for this particular necklace. Is I didn't want it to be that dark towards the end. I wanted kind of a little bit lighter and brighter, especially next to this crystal that I'm using. So that's just something to keep in mind. All of these colors are really good choices. They're all available at Beadaholique.com, and it's really just how you want your rainbow to look. So just one quick recap of the colors you do see in this necklace here. We have light cyan, tangerine, citrine, dark moss green, light turquoise, majestic blue, and violet. So I hope this was helpful. It was a piece of information I definitely wanted to get out there because creating rainbow jewelry is just so much fun. And when you do it in Swarovski crystal, it just sparkles. It just really goes well with the whole rainbow theme and just all those wonderful bright colors. If you like this video, please do check out our other videos, both at Beadaholique.com as well as on YouTube.